Hey guys, so I got the ASTM C109 standard test method for compressor strength of hydraulic cement mortars using 2-inch or 50 mm cube specimens. This lab determines the compressive strength of the hydraulic cement mortars using 2-inch or 50 mm cube specimens. Inch per pound or SI units can be used for this lab. The materials needed for this lab are weights and weighing devices, glass graduates, specimen molds, mixture, bowl, paddle, tamper, trowel, flow table, and flow mold. A moisture room and a testing machine, either hydraulic or screw, is needed. Be sure your cube can fit in the testing machine. In the procedures, first apply a releasing agent on the interior face of the mold and on the base plate. Be sure to remove any excess releasing agent with a rag. To determine how much concrete you need depends on how many test stages you are doing. Once you have that figured out, test it on the flow table. To determine if it passes the flow table, check with the coordinates given in test method C1437. After it passes the flow test, pour it back into the mixing bowl and mix it for 15 more minutes. After the 15 minutes of mixing is done, pour an inch of concrete into the mold and tamper it with enough pressure to have a uniform filling of the mold. Usually it is 32 tampering in 2 minutes and doing 4 rounds of those. After that is done, pour the rest of the concrete in it to fill the top and tamper it again. Repeat those steps for any other test samples that you may have. The test samples can sit 24 hours, 72 hours, 7 days, 28 days, depending again on what's your test age you are doing. Test the samples immediately after the time is done, and if you are testing more than one sample, be sure to put a rag over the sample while it is waiting to be tested. For calculations, first record the maximum load indicated by the testing machine, and then calculate the compressive strength, which is F equals P over A. F is the compressive strength, P is the load that you recorded from the testing machine, A is the surface area. For reporting, from the flow test to the nearest 10%, and the compressive strength shall be reported in the nearest 10 psi or 0.1 megapascals. There is no biases because the value of the compressive strength is defined in terms of the test method. Also, for the precision, it is stated in the table on page 2. I know there was only supposed to be one page per handout, but I needed the table for the precision and it didn't fit on one page. That's all I got. Hope to return soon, and you guys take care.